In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Rules for automation in your projects. Asana's automation rules can revolutionize the way you manage tasks by reducing manual work, ensuring your team stays focused on higher level tasks. Let's dive in and see how we can set up these rules effectively. To start, you'll need to open the specific Asana project where you want to set up automation. Once you're in your project, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you should see the Customize button. Click on it to reveal more options. Now that you're in the Customize panel, scroll down to find the Rules section. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that Asana already suggests some templates for common rules, and if you're feeling adventurous or need something specific, you can also choose to create a custom rule. The next step involves choosing a trigger. Triggers are the actions or events that will initiate your automation. For instance, it could be something like marking a task as complete, changing a due date, moving a task to a different section, or even adding a new task to your project. Selecting the right trigger is crucial because it sets the stage for what you want to automate. Once you have your trigger in place, the following step is to decide on the action you want Asana to take automatically when this trigger occurs. There are many options here, such as moving the task to another section, assigning the task to someone, adding or removing tags, setting a due date, or posting a comment. The action should be something that helps streamline your workflow. If you're looking for a quick setup, Asana offers pre-built rule templates to get you started without much hassle. These templates cover commonly needed automations, like moving a task to the Done section when it's marked complete, setting a due date for 7 days out when a task is assigned, or assigning tasks with a high priority tag to the project lead. These templates are great if they fit your needs or can serve as a foundation for more customized automation. Finally, it's important to test your rule to ensure everything is working as expected. Perform the trigger action, for example, complete a task, and then check if the rule executed correctly. You should see changes like tasks moving to new sections or getting reassigned according to your rule setup. And there you have it. That's how you can use Asana Rules for automation to transform your project management experience. Remember, automation is all about making your life easier, so don't hesitate to experiment with rules to achieve the most efficient workflow for you and your